Preserving and promoting the arts, a strong mission of the Bloomington Center for the Arts. They offer various classes and trainings geared toward both performing and visual arts, and one partnering organization has stood the test of time. 2013 will mark the 25th anniversary for the Continental Ballet, and its founder and director, Riet Veldhuizen, is largely to thank for that.
I'm from Holland. I'm born in Holland, and I was a professional dancer by the Dutch National Ballet. And then with my husband, we got transferred to the United States, and that's why I started first in studio teaching. Then I started company, small company, and now after 25 years, I can say I have a pretty big company.
In her role as founder and director, Riet's most important duty comes with the dancers' daily rehearsal. She works with the 12 company members until she feels they are ready to go on stage. There are also a number of behind-the-scenes aspects she oversees.
I work with the stage manager to go over the details, the technical, the light technique. The costumes is a big deal, so we have a person taking care of the costumes.
On this particular day, the company is rehearsing for the comic ballet, Copella. The company doesn't always have the ideal 4 to 6 weeks to rehearse for a show, so their days are long, sometimes spending upwards of 6 hours practicing.
You need to have a lot of dedication because you have to work on your technique and make sure your steps are technically good, but you also have to work on the emotions you want to put into the piece and all the other elements that go on top of that to tell the story and really relate to the audience.
According to Sietsma, time spent in the studio doesn't always feel like work, rather just an expression of the art, well, with good friends.
I really love the atmosphere here. It's very positive, the atmosphere. Everybody's really rooting for each other and helping each other out if you have trouble with a step or you're trying to get a certain attitude for a role. People are very helpful and you really feel the support and it helps you put on a better show.
Many dancers agreed they took on some of their favorite roles dancing in the holiday classic, The Nutcracker, a piece the company will start rehearsing for again in the very near future.
I think it is a tradition now that everybody feels they have to watch it in the holiday season. And it is great for younger kids to see, because not all the ballets are for a young audience. So the Nutcracker is perfect for older and younger people.
After 25 years, Riet has many memories and accomplishments to recall fondly. When she thinks about her company's history, one in particular stands out.
I think the most impressive was when we started 9 years ago here in this building, the beautiful building, the studio. We worked hard for the funding and all that, so it was very rewarded to be here and to work in the theater, work here in the studio, and the whole environment is so different and beautiful, so that is one of the big ones.
For upcoming show information or more on the history of the Bloomington Continental Ballet, visit the city's website and keyword search ballet to find a link to the Continental Ballet's website.